Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Vanjaram Fish Curry, a truly iconic South Indian dish. It's celebrated for its incredible depth of flavor and aromatic spices. Vanjaram, also known as king mackerel, is the ideal choice for this recipe because its firm texture means it holds its shape beautifully throughout the cooking process. Get ready to create a masterpiece that will truly delight your taste buds and impress everyone at your dinner table. Now let's talk about the stars of our show, the ingredients. Of course, the freshest Vanjaram fish cut into nice, thick pieces is absolutely key. Then assemble your flavor base: thinly sliced onions, ripe tomatoes, a few fiery green chilies, and a fragrant ginger-garlic paste. Don't forget your essential dry spices either: turmeric, rich chili powder, aromatic coriander powder, and a tiny bit of tamarind pulp will create that perfect, authentic taste. With our ingredients ready, let's get into the preparation. First, make sure your Vanjaram fish is spotlessly clean. After patting it dry, give it a quick light marinade with just a pinch of turmeric and salt. This really helps the flavors penetrate. While the fish rests, create your glorious curry paste. This is often a blend of freshly grated coconut and roasted spices, all ground into a smooth, aromatic mixture. This beautiful paste is truly the soul of your curry. Now for the exciting part, cooking our curry. Start by heating a little oil in a wide pan. Once hot, crackle some mustard seeds and toss in fresh curry leaves. The aroma will immediately fill your kitchen. Next, add your sliced onions, cooking them gently until they turn a lovely golden brown. Then, stir in your ginger-garlic paste and the green chilies. Finally, add your prepared curry paste, stirring it well and cooking it down for several minutes until the oil truly begins to separate. We're almost there. Once your curry base is perfectly cooked, gently place your marinated Vanjaram fish pieces into the simmering gravy, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover the pan, letting it simmer on low heat for just 8 to 10 minutes until the fish is tender and flaky. Finally, garnish your beautiful curry generously with fresh coriander leaves. Serve it piping hot with fluffy steamed rice or warm appams for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.